Hello everyone, welcome to the video of digital marketing part 2, that is search engine optimization. In this video, we are going to check what is search engine and how search engine works. So let's move ahead and check what is search engine. This is the definition from your textbook, that is the textbook of 12th standard Maharashtra State Board. So what is search engine? A web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, that is internet search, which means to search the world wide web www in systematic way for particular information specified in textual web search query. So what is search engine, or what is the definition of search engine? It is a search engine is a web-based tool that enables user to locate information on world wide web. And there are various search engine. What are the examples of various search engines? We are going to check. So what are the examples of search engine? There are the following examples given into the picture, that is Google, Yahoo, Ask.com, MSN, Bing, and About. So there are different search engine which will give you different fetched result. But what are these search engine? These are numbered the tool to provide you the data of your requirement by using this different platform. Which are the examples of search engine? Google, Yahoo, Ask.com, MSN, Bing, About. There are more search engines from which you can go and search for your database, for your data which is required for you. So let's move ahead and check how search engine works. So how search engine works, it is given into this diagram. So first, when we go and type for any of the search, when we go and click on any of the search, so the search engine sends different spiders for crawling into the different links, from which it builds an index and it gives the ranking, on which ranking to show the fetched result, to show the website of search results. So this way it is the one, like when you search for a result, the first step is scrolling, and then it builds an index, and then it provides the ranking. In my earlier video, I have already told you that SEO brings your website on top. So what is the work of SEO? So the work of SEO is to bring your website on top results. So this way the search engine works. Let's move ahead and check what is search engine result pages. What is search engine result pages, or SERPs? That is, it means the search engine result pages are displayed in a line of result which are referred as search engine result pages. It means when you click on a search, you will get n number of sites, and these sites, by clicking on it, you will go to the web pages. So these are none but your results. These are search engine result pages, that is SERP. Again, the search engine result pages can include web pages, images, videos, articles, research paper, and data in different formats. Also, when you search your search result, when you search for any of the thing, when your search results will go for different browsers, different search engines, so at that time, will it be same or different? Let's check the example. First, we are checking example for Google search. Let's check now. If you are checking for buy a car, this is your keyword, this is the one which you would like to check. So when you go for buy a car wala search, so you are finding over here top stories, you are finding first option as www.carwale.com. so here it is this result. Now let's check in the same way. If you go ahead for Yahoo search, will it give you the same result? Now check, you are into the Yahoo search, you have typed the same words, that is buy a car, is it giving you same result? Just check, buy a car insurance, search buy car insurance, whereas when we have gone into the last search, it was the same buy a car, and the first result was car wale, whereas into the Yahoo search you are observing some different web pages, some different links. It means by using different search engine you will have different results, because the crawling process, ranking process, building an index process, ranking process will be different for different search engine. Let's move ahead and check what is SEO, how SEO works, on which parameters it is depend on. So SEO is depend on all these things, which is the first and foremost is keyword research, which keyword you are typing, and as per that it will give you the same result. If you are if you are typing the expected keyword, then into the top 20 result itself you will get whatever you are searching for, and accordingly the ranking will be set. There are the contents which plays very important role. The strategies and the link building, according to the social networks, plays their vital role when you go for different types of search. Web engine optimization, how the designing of web pages are there, how the traffic is loaded into your web pages, what is sitemap optimization, software development, and feedback. These all are the parameters on which SEO works. As of now, the first and foremost thing which we need to keep into the mind, that the contents, the keyword plays the vital role to get the fetch result. And if you want our results of website, your website on the top first 20 index numbers, first 20 rankings, then what is important? Your keyword is the one which will play important role. Let's move ahead and check what is this. This is something like I am searching on Askwala search engine, and there I am finding buy guitar online. So here I am getting the results like this: guitars, wholesale suppliers online, and this all results, and this all. But what is the difference I am finding over here? So the difference which is I am finding over here, it is here it is AD, yeah. And whereas if you are finding over here, it is started directly starting with the website. Then what is that? So the difference between these two searches, these two results, is that when it is AD over here, so it is none but your paid search, and when it is not anything over here, that is AD is not mentioned over here, then it is organic search. It means AD is for advertisement. Even there are some different examples like sponsored and all, which comes under the paid search, and there are the results which are without advertisement, without sponsor ads. So these are organic search. So there are two types of SEO searches. Which are they? The first one is paid search. What can be the thing which you can identify for paid search? It is advertise or AD or sponsored, whereas there will be nothing in front of the website results, that is organic search. So two search which we need to keep in mind: paid search and organic search. Thank you everyone for watching this video. You can like this video, you can subscribe this channel for the more updated videos, and you can click on the bell icon for my update.